name's Jonathan with LawnMore, and started our business back when I was 14. One day I was out in my neighborhood and I noticed a guy around the corner who had an immaculate vehicle, beautiful equipment, but most importantly, the way he took care of the yards was like an artist. It was night and day difference between him and many of the other guys that I saw around town. I think I want to try to be more like that guy I saw that was the artist with the way he took care of lawns, and so I started doing lawn maintenance. In the 20 years we've been in business, we've had some of the same clients since the first day we started. We, in a sense, want to do business the old-fashioned way. We want to slow down, take a little bit more time with our customers, and make sure that everything that they need for their property to look beautiful is done. We try to find out what is the passion of our customer and try to put together a design for them and a maintenance package for them that's going to be really tailored to who they are, what their passions are. Being able to come in and look at the architecture of a home with the client and help them to frame their house with the landscape. Whether it's a commercial facility or a small residential property, it doesn't really matter. We're going to give the same quality of care to each client that hires us. At LawnMore, our motto is excellence by design, and that's not by accident. It's intentional. It takes work. It takes work to strive to do things well. And we don't want to just do our best because we took a shot at it and tried. We really want to plan it out. How can we really do everything necessary for each customer to get them the maximum satisfaction for the property that they have. But we even have software that we use for our crews that lets our customers speak to the crew and tell them, hey, this week can you make sure you take care of this area in my garden? And so they're able to actually go in and tell our crews things that they are specifically wanting to have done, things they specifically want to have addressed. I wanted to do more than simply have guys with a job. I wanted to do something different. I wanted to try to find a way to give our guys not only job security, but to give them opportunities for individual growth. And what I try to do with each one of our employees is bring them in, teach them, train them how to do the job, how to have respect for the client, how to have respect for the work, and I try to teach them and help them to exude the same passion that I have for the work that I do. So with the 20+ years experience with maintenance, it's really a valuable aspect that we bring into our landscape design, because we don't understand just how to maintain the yard. We understand every plant that we put in, what it's going to look like 10 years from now. LawnMore is definitely a Gainesville company. We certainly work in areas outside of Gainesville, but we love Gainesville, and we've been in Gainesville since '97. As we look forward to our next 20 years, our objective is going to be the same as it was when we began, to make Gainesville even more beautiful, one yard at a time.